How good morning, that's what you want to eat rice and beans. Thank you for liking our video, for subscribing to our YouTube channel, so our family. You know our new page, Joy TV. Thank you. Yes, okay. Thank you very much. Well, cook. That's a beans.
Guys, I'm going to.
Yeah, you eat something again.
Everyone.
You look sad. You look respect. Look, yours. They just take our rice. They take our rice.
I don't
I
know.
want to go to that food different. You can't be before you answer. No.
Guys, I'm just where's him? Where's him?
All right.
I'm going to put down. I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it. It's all small. It's all small. Give you. You really don't have that.
So you should go around. You go around.
No, it's okay. Oh, it's no, come on now. What are you doing?
Wait. Wait.
No.
Give me it. What do you want?
You get my